Welcome, and I need help at C-squared. We're going to look to an example of how to solve a rational equation. So we have this problem here which says 3x over x plus 2, right? Plus 2 over x minus 1. And the first thing you want to do on this rational equation is to factor out everything it's possible. In this case, the only thing that we need to factor out is this quadratic, which the factor form will be x plus 2, x minus 1. And looking now to this 3 denominator, the bottom of the fraction, the least common multiple is x plus 2 times x minus 1. So this is the guy we're going to multiply by both sides of this rational equation. What do I mean? Look at here, x plus 2 times x minus 1 times 3x over x plus 2 plus 2 over x minus 1. Right, so we multiply the left side by this least common multiple, and obviously we're going to do the same thing for the right side. Okay, and let's see what we get now. So here we're going to use distributive property. And we're going to get x plus 2 times x minus 1 times 3x over x plus 2 plus x plus 2 times x minus 1 times 2 over x minus 1. So just distributive property copy. And let's copy the right side, even though we can simplify if you want to simplify. I'm just going to copy in this moment. And then what? Then if we notice this x plus 2 cancel this x plus 2, which is good. That's the thing we want. We have left 3x times x minus 1. Then this x minus 1 and this x minus 1 cancel out. So what do we have? 2 times x plus 2, right? The multiplication is commutative, so we can switch them like that. And look at here, this x plus 2 cancel this x plus 2, and this x minus 1 cancel that x minus 1. So we have only 5 here. Okay, so if you notice here, that rational equation is gone. We have an equation like this, which doesn't look bad. What do we have? In fact, we have 3x squared, right? Minus 3x, right? If we do the distributive property here, right? Plus 2x plus 4 equals 5. So we can do a couple things here. First, combine these two guys, which is going to give me 3x squared minus x, and then subtract 5 on both sides. So we're going to have minus 1 equal 0. So we have a nice quadratic equation, which we may want to try to solve by factoring if it works, or the quadratic formula. Okay, factoring doesn't work, so we're going to use the quadratic formula. 3x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is the discriminant. B squared minus 4ac. So this one is going to be negative 1 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 1. And that will be 1 plus 12, that will be 13. This is more than 0, so we have two real solutions. Which one are those? X equals negative b, that will be positive 1, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, this guy, right? 13 over 2a, 2 times 3. So that will be 1 plus or minus square root of 13 over 6, which is going to give us the two solutions. 1 plus square root of 13 over 6 We use a calculator. We're gonna get here 0.76. Say that approximate to 3 decimal. And the other one will be 1 minus square root of 13 over 6. I approximated as negative 0.434, 3 decimal. And that's it. These are not extraneous solutions. They were nice in the equation, so we finished the problem. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C-Square for more math. Thank you.